Bonjour! Let's take a virtual trip to France and test your knowledge on its amazing landmarks and icons. Which famous tower in Paris is this? Is it A, Pisa Tower, B, Eiffel Tower, or C, Big Ben? It's B, Eiffel Tower. It was built for the 1889 World's Fair. What is the name of this famous monument in Paris? Is it A, Arc de Triomphe, B, Brandenburg Gate, or C, London Arch? It's A, Arc de Triomphe. It stands at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. Which museum features this giant glass pyramid? Is it A, British Museum, B, the Met, or C, the Louvre? It's C, the Louvre! It is the world's largest art museum. What are the three colors of the French national flag? Is it A, red, white, green, B, blue, white, red, or C, yellow, red, black? It's B, bull, white, red. It is known as the tricolore. What is this iconic, long French bread called? Is it A, baguette, B, ciabatta, or C, sourdough? It's A, baguette. It is famous for its crispy crust. Which famous cathedral on the Seine River is this? Is it A, St. Paul's, B, Notre Dame, or C, Westminster Abbey? It's B, Notre Dame. It is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Which Grand Royal Palace is famous for its Hall of Mirrors? Is it A, Buckingham Palace, B, Palace of Versailles, or C, Schönbrunn Palace? It's B, House of Versailles. It was the principal royal residence of France. What is the name of this popular dog breed from France? Is it A, French Bulldog, B, Pug, or C, Boston Terrier? It's A, French Bulldog. They are famous for their bat-like ears. Which famous tidal island is topped by a medieval abbey? Is it A, Mont Saint-Michel, B, Alcatraz, or C, Isle of Skye? It's A, Mont Saint-Michel. High tides cut it off from the mainland. What is this traditional French flat cap called? Is it A, fedora, B, sombrero, or C, beret? It's C, beret. It is a famous symbol of French culture. In which sport do athletes compete in the famous Tour de France? Is it A, car racing, B, cycling, or C, running? It's B, cycling. It is the world's most prestigious bicycle race. Which French region is famous for these purple lavender fields? Is it A, Provence, B, Normandy, or C, Brittany? It's A, Provence. These beautiful summer fields are incredibly fragrant. What is this flaky, crescent-shaped French pastry called? Is it A, donut, B, croissant, or C, scone? It's B, croissant. This buttery pastry is named for its crescent shape. Which unusual food is a famous French delicacy? Is it A, snails, B, jellyfish, or C, octopus? It's A, snails. They are typically cooked with garlic butter. Which white-domed basilica sits at the highest point of Paris? Is it A, Sacré-Cœur, B, St. Peter's, or C, Pantheon? It's A, Sacré-Cœur. It sits at the summit of Montmartre Hill. Which huge castle is famous for its double helix staircase? Is it A, Château de Chambord, B, Neuschwanstein, or C, Windsor Castle? It's A. Chateau de Chambord. Leonardo da Vinci likely designed this famous staircase. What is the name of this ancient Roman aqueduct bridge in France? Is it A. Rialto Bridge, B. Pont du Gard, or C. Tower Bridge? It's B. Pont du Gard. It was built in the 1st century AD. Which sunny southern coast of France is known for its blue waters? Is it A. Amalfi Coast, B. French Riviera, or C. Costa Brava? It's B. French Riviera. It is famous for glamorous Mediterranean beaches. What makes the famous Lascaux caves in France so special? Is it A. Prehistoric paintings, B. Underground lakes, or C. Giant crystals? It's A. Prehistoric paintings. These detailed animal paintings are 17,000 years old. What is the name of the highest mountain peak in France and the Alps? Is it A. Matterhorn, B. Mount Everest, or C. Mont Blanc? It's C. Mont Blanc. It is the highest peak in Western Europe. What are these colorful, round French sandwich cookies called? Is it A. Macarons, B. Meringues, or C. Biscotti? It's A. Macaroons. These sweet treats are filled with delicious buttercream. Which famous artists' water lily pond and bridge are in Giverny? Is it A. Claude Monet, B. Vincent van Gogh, or C. Pablo Picasso? It's A. Claude Monet. This beautiful garden inspired his famous paintings. Which spectacular, fully walled medieval city is in southern France? Is it A. Carcassonne, B. Dubrovnik, or C. Toledo? It's A. Carcassonne. It is famous for its double-walled ramparts. What are these very thin French pancakes called? Is it A. Pancakes, B. Waffles, or C. Crepes? It's C. Crepes. They can be served with sweet or savory fillings. On which summer date does France celebrate its national day, Bastille Day? Is it A. July 14th, B. July 4, or C. June 14th? It's A. July 14. It commemorates the storming of the Bastille. Which region of France is famous for its wild white horses? Is it A. Brittany, B. Camargue, or C. Alsace? It's B. Camargue. These unique horses roam freely in the marshlands. Which traditional French vegetable stew shares its name with a movie? Is it A. Bouillabaisse, B. Ratatouille, or C. Cassoulet? It's B. Ratatouille. This classic stewed vegetable dish originated in Nice. Which French river valley is famous for having over 300 beautiful castles? Is it A. Seine Valley, B. Rhone Valley, or C. Loire Valley? It's C. Loire Valley. It features an incredible concentration of Renaissance castles. What is the name of this record-breaking, tall, cable-stayed bridge? Is it A. Millau Viaduct, B. Golden Gate, or C. Brooklyn Bridge? It's A. Millau Viaduct. It is the tallest bridge in the world. What is the name of the tallest sand dune in Europe, located in France? Is it A. Dune of Pilat, B. Sahara Dune, or C. Namib Dune? It's A. Dune of Pilat. It is located on the scenic Atlantic coast. In which French city can you visit this well-preserved Roman amphitheater? Is it A. Paris, B. Nîmes, or C. Lyon? It's B. Nîmes. It is one of the best preserved in the world. Which giant medieval palace in Avignon was the home of popes in the 1300s? Is it A, Palace of Popes, B, Vatican Palace, or C, Medici Palace? It's A, Palace of Popes. It is a massive medieval Gothic building. Which French city's cathedral houses this famous astronomical clock? Is it A, Strasbourg, B, Marseille, or C, Bordeaux? It's A, Strasbourg. This 16th century clock features wonderful moving figures. In which French region will you find these white chalk cliffs and natural arches? Is it A, Brittany, B, Normandy, or C, Provence? It's B, Normandy. These dramatic cliffs are located in beautiful Étretat. Which famous French coastal town is known for luxury yachts and its red-sailed harbor? Is it A, Cannes, B, Saint-Tropez, or C, Nice? It's B, Saint-Tropez. It is a glamorous resort on the Riviera. In which French cathedral were almost all kings of France traditionally crowned? Is it A, Reims Cathedral, B, Chartres Cathedral, or C, Rouen Cathedral? It's A, Reims Cathedral. This was the traditional site for coronations. Which French king was famously known as the Sun King? Is it A, Louis XIV, B, Charlemagne, or C, Francis I? It's A, Louis XIV. He ruled France for 72 years. What is the name of the woman who serves as the national symbol of France? Is it A, Joan of Arc, B, Marianne, or C, Marie Antoinette? It's B, Marianne. She represents liberty and reason in France. Which cake eaten in France in January contains a tiny hidden toy or charm? Is it A, Galette des Rois, B, Yule log, or C, Madeleine? It's A, Galette des Rois. Finding the hidden charm makes you king. Which famous French blue cheese is aged inside natural limestone caves? Is it A, Brie, B, Camembert, or C, Roquefort? It's C, Roquefort. It is made from rich sheep's milk. What is the name of France's famous high-speed passenger train network? Is it A, Shinkansen, B, TGV, or C, Eurostar? It's B, TGV. It is France's famous high-speed rail service. On which large French island in the Mediterranean was Napoleon Bonaparte born? Is it A, Sardinia, B, Corsica, or C, Sicily? It's B, Corsica. Napoleon was born in its capital in 1769. Which modernist masterpiece house near Paris was designed by Le Corbusier? Is it A, Villa Savoye, B, Falling Water, or C, Villa Tugendhat? It's A, Villa Savoye. It is an iconic modernist masterpiece. Which unique palace was built entirely out of pebbles by a French postman? Is it A, Palace of Versailles, B, Palais Idéal, or C, Château de Vincennes? It's B, Palais Idéal. It took 33 years to build. What is the official name of this famous, partly ruined, historic bridge in Avignon? Is it A, Pont Saint-Bénézet, B, Pont des Arts, or C, Pont Neuf? It's A, Pont Saint-Bénézet. It is famous from a popular children's song. Which island fortress near Marseille inspired the novel The Count of Monte Cristo? Is it A, Château d'If, B, Mont Saint-Michel, or C, Fort Boyard? It's A. Chateau d'If. It is a famous former island prison. What is the name of this deep, turquoise-colored canyon in southeastern France? Is it A. Grand Canyon, B. Verdun Gorge, or C. Tara River Gorge? It's B. Verdun Gorge. It is one of Europe's most beautiful canyons. In which French region can you find these thousands of prehistoric standing stones? Is it A. Brittany, B. Normandy, or C. Alsace? It's A. Brittany. There are over 3,000 ancient stones here. Which historic French hospital is famous for its colorful geometric tiled roof? Is it A. Hospice de Beaune, B. Hôtel Dieu Paris, or C. Château de Chantilly? It's A. Hospices de Beaune. Its geometric tiled roof is a burgundy symbol. What classic industrial site was designed by neoclassical architect Claude Nicolas Ledoux? Is it A. Eiffel Foundry, B. Céline Royale, or C. Le Creusot Glassworks? It's B. Céline Royale. It is a masterpiece of Enlightenment architecture. What is the name of this famous dormant dome volcano in the Massif Central region? Is it A. Vesuvius, B. Puy de Dôme, or C. Etna? It's B. Puy de Dôme. It is a grand, young lava dome. Which French city hosts a festival featuring giant sculptures made entirely of citrus fruits? Is it A. Menton, B. Nice, or C. Cannes? It's A. Menton. They host the famous Lemon Festival every winter. Which historic chapel is built on top of a dramatic 269-foot volcanic rock needle? Is it A. Sainte-Chapelle, B. Saint-Michel de Gris, or C. Rocamadour Chapel? It's B. Saint-Michel d'Aguige. It requires climbing 268 steps. Which record-breaking attraction in Boulogne-sur-Mer is the largest aquarium in Europe? Is it A. Oceanário de Lisboa, B. L'Oceanographique, or C. Nausicaa? It's C. Nausicaa. It houses over 58,000 marine animals. In which French city can you ride a giant, 40-foot-tall mechanical wooden elephant? Is it A. Nantes, B. Toulouse, or C. Lyon? It's A. Nantes. It was inspired by the works of Jules Verne. Which historic 70-meter-long embroidered cloth depicts the Norman conquest of England? Is it A. Bayeux Tapestry, B. Gobelins Tapestry, or C. Lady and the Unicorn? It's A. Bayeux Tapestry. It depicts the historic events of 1066. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below and subscribe for more fun quizzes.